Hi, to enable automatic blood oxygen level measurements on the Huawei Band 9, as a first step, take your band and find this blood oxygen measurements. For that, we can just simply swipe left from the watch face, then swipe again and check this icon in the switches list. So simply tap it and here is your automatic measurements. So if you want to measure your blood oxygen right now, you will need to tap on this button measure and keep still with this screen facing up, and within 25 seconds you will receive your result. But you'll need to wear your band in that case. So just wear it, measure your result, and if you have higher than 90%, then it is the best result. So to enable automatic measurements, you will need to open the Huawei Health app installed on your phone. Here select your device and after that go in the health monitoring section. And here, simply select this automatic blood oxygen measurements and tap on the switcher to enable. So when enabled, will be measured and recorded while at rest. Also, you can set low blood oxygen alert. Just tap it and here set your percentage. For example, if you get the result lower than 80%, you will be alerted. Just tap OK to save the changes. And yeah, that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.